In this video, I'm going to talk about a common reason why you might be shooting left if you're a right-handed shooter off a draw or a presentation. What's up, guys? My name is Rob Epifania. I'm a USPSA Grandmaster and the owner of Systematic Performance Concepts. So this is an issue I came in contact with many years ago when I was learning to draw from concealment in at or under 1 second. What I would find is that at a slower pace, 1.5, something like that, I would have a nice, straight, centered shot. But when I started pushing down to an area where I was getting uncomfortable, I would end up pushing shots left. So here's something to think about. And this is why I came up with the presentation process kind of in the way that I did. For those who haven't seen that video, presentation process: connect the fingers, touch the palm, apply pressure, and then leverage the elbows together to vise the gun in place, lock your grip, and have it ready to shoot before the dot is even on target. With that said, so what happened, and this is a good talking point to when you encounter an issue, don't slow down, because slowing down can potentially mask the issue. Try to solve the problem at speed by changing one thing at a time. And by doing that, you then progress to the next level. If you slow down without trying to fix it at speed first, all you're doing is you're masking the problem. And by masking the problem, you're always going to bump up to it again as you speed up. So in this instance, 1.5 seconds, nice straight dot. Everything, sights at that point because I was shooting iron sights, but everything's centered up nice, shot real well. At 1 second, there would be a left hit. Now, you might think that this hand is doing too much, potentially, but what I found was different. What I learned is that you need to clamp the gun early and have the grip starting to build early from back here so that when you press the trigger, you don't have that movement. What was happening in my case is that I'm pushing the gun out hard and I'm trying to get a grip on the gun, and the grip happens here and pulls it to the left. So to solve that problem, once I identified it, I said, clamp the gun early. As soon as I got my hand on the gun, I'm clamping the gun early. And now that dot, sights at the time again, the sights or dot presents itself much better. Everything stays straight because now my grip is ready before I'm on target. So my grip, if my presentation is this, my grip is ready here. I'm ready to shoot full speed here in terms of how much pressure I'm applying. And then all I have to do is finish up. And by doing that, I don't run into those issues of my grip is not ready, it's not ready, it's not ready, it's not ready. Oh, now it's ready. But I've now disturbed the gun because my fingers have clamped and pulled the gun into my hand versus being ready to shoot beforehand. So guys, it's a quick tip. Give that a try. Let me know what you think.